Hi, welcome to Renee Holden Marketing, where we discuss lead generation marketing strategies to help your small business grow. I'm Renee, I'm a marketing specialist, and today we're talking about how to create Storybrand landing pages. So you might be wondering, what is Storybrand? Storybrand is a popular marketing framework from Donald Miller, which basically places the customer as the hero in their buying journey and you as the business owner as the guide, helping the customer along their way to success. And the point of this framework is really to place the customer as the hero and to clarify the business owner's messaging about their value proposition. This framework can really be applied to any marketing asset. So for example, your landing pages, which we'll talk about today, but also your website, the content you create. The whole point of it is clarifying your message and the benefits that your product or service offers. So today we'll be talking about how to apply the Storybrand framework to your landing pages. So when people are clicking on your landing pages, whether they're coming from Facebook, Instagram, email, wherever they're coming from, they can quickly understand your value proposition and all the benefits that you are offering your customers. Are we communicating the benefits of our product or service very quickly on our landing page? So the goal is for someone to be able to look at your landing page and under 5 seconds know what industry you're in and kind of the general value proposition that you're offering. And this is pretty realistic. People don't spend much time on landing pages, and if they can't figure out what benefits you're offering, then they're not going to spend a lot of time trying to figure it out. They're probably just going to click off. So the two most important features or factors on the landing page that can get this message across really quickly is your headline and the imagery that you're using. So making sure that your audience understands the benefits that you're offering, both in the images and in the headline that you have, will be really beneficial. You can next focus on establishing yourself, the business owner, as your customer's guide to solving whatever problem your product or service solves. There are many ways you can establish yourself as a guide or an expert in your industry, but basically you want to do things that will build trust with your audience. So there are a couple ways you can build trust with your customers. This could be through testimonials, stating your experience, being super transparent about your pricing and what others have gotten out of your service before. So making sure that your customers can trust you will be a huge part of becoming a guide. After you have clarified your benefits and your solution, you've built trust with your customers, the last step of your Storybrand framework on your landing page is to take your customer on the journey to success. So you will lead the way as their guide to help them achieve whatever goal your product or service helps their customers achieve. To do this, you're going to be having to state your call to action on your landing page. Now, the call to action is basically a statement that tells your customers or the people on the landing page what you want them to do next. Now, this is super important because a lot of people don't know what to do next. If you aren't really clear with people and giving them instructions, they might do nothing, they might leave. So having a call to action is really important. Your call to action is going to be a button or a link, something that really sticks out from all the other text, all the other images on your landing page that tells your the customer what to do. I would also recommend adding what's called a transitional call to action, which is basically a call to action that isn't as demanding or asking as much as your main call to action. So for example, you could have if the call to action is to sign up for a course and someone isn't totally ready to sign up for a course yet, you could have a transitional call to action, which would be something like maybe download this free PDF, which is, less risk. You really have nothing to lose by downloading a free resource. So kind of having a couple of options for your customers, but at the end of the day, offering them value so you can see if you're a right fit or not. Okay, and these are kind of the 3 most important elements of the Storybrand framework. If you're interested in learning more about Storybrand, I'll link Donald Miller, the creator of Storybrand, his website below. If you're interested in learning more about Storybrand or talking about landing pages, how to get more traffic through your landing pages, please comment below and let me know. I would really like to react to some comments and answer marketing questions that you might have. So please comment down below. Let me know if you have any thoughts or topics you'd like to hear more about. And thanks. Bye.